Welcome to a world of creativity, blending knowledge and science. Unlock your career's potential.
Turn your passion into a career.
Here at Potchefstroom Academy,
our qualifications are designed to give you a hands-on learning and work environment experience.
At Potchefstroom Academy, transformation is more than skin deep. We believe in a more holistic approach.
It's not just about beauty, it's about understanding the science.
Picture yourself thriving in HR, finance, law, or tech. Your career, your choice. Transform your passion into a career with our hands-on approach. Our experienced lecturers guide students every step of the way.
The reason why I decided to study interior design was the fact that you get to create spaces that have an amazing impact on people, whether it be commercial or residential. Just imagine what your future would look like if you studied interior design here at Potchefstroom Academy.
Unlock the secrets of lighting and composition to capture stunning visuals every time. Master the art of photography and turn your passion into a career here at Potchefstroom Academy.
Explore powerful techniques such as deep tissue, sports massage, and trigger points. Hands-on training ensures students master therapeutic techniques for real-world application.
Potchefstroom Academy will turn you into a reflexology professional like me. Ready to turn those reflexes into a career? Then join us at Potchefstroom Academy, where hands, feet, face and ears will be your new best friends. Master the art of blending with expert guidance from our passionate instructors. Here you will learn practical skills that create real-world results.
Potch Academy really set a really great foundation for me. It taught me a lot in terms of how to do certain things.
Starting your own business can be very challenging, very daunting, but because of Potch Academy, it's just built that confidence and made you chase your dreams even harder.
Working part-time at the Academy while completing my studies has enriched my experience and deepened my industry knowledge. I absolutely love Potchefstroom Academy. It taught me so much, it equipped me so much. My favorite thing about Potch Academy is the close-knit community and the friendships that I've made.
Here, it's more than just about learning. We're a student community that helps you level up in both career and life.
Join us at Potchefstroom Academy, where science meets beauty and careers like mine begin. Join Potchefstroom Academy. Your passion-driven success starts here.